Hello, and welcome to Hope Institute. In today's video, we'll be testing your English fluency levels with 15 multiple-choice questions. We've divided the test into 3 levels: easy, intermediate, and hard levels, each with 5 questions. So, grab a pen and paper, or just answer along as we go. Let us know your score in the comments below. Ready? Let's get started. Easy level. Question 1. What is the plural form of the word child? Answer C. Children. Child is an irregular noun. Its plural form is children instead of the usual s or es endings. Question 2. Complete the sentence. She a beautiful dress yesterday. Answer B. The past tense of wear is wore. We use the past tense here because the sentence mentions yesterday. Question 3. Choose the correct article. I have an apple in my bag. Answer B. We use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U, and apple starts with the vowel sound A. Question 4. What is the opposite of hot? Answer D. Cold. Cold is the antonym of hot, describing a low temperature compared to high. Question 5. Is the following sentence correct or incorrect? She do her homework every day. Answer B. Incorrect. The correct form is she does her homework every day. We use does with third-person singular subjects: he, she, it. Intermediate level. Question 1. Fill in the blank. They have been wait for over an hour. Answer C. Waiting. The present perfect continuous tense indicates an action that started in the past and continues to the present. Question 2. Choose the correct form. If I you, I would take that opportunity. Answer B. This is a second conditional sentence used to talk about hypothetical situations. Were is used instead of was after if. Question 3. Which is correct? Neither of them. Here. Answer A. Neither is a singular pronoun and takes a singular verb, so neither of them is here is correct. Question 4. Identify the part of speech of the word quickly in this sentence. She quickly finished her work. Answer D. Quickly describes how she finished her work, modifying the verb finished. What is the comparative form of good? Answer A. Good is an irregular adjective, and its comparative form is better. Hard level. Question 1. What is the meaning of the idiom, a blessing in disguise? Answer B. Something that seems bad at first, but turns out to be good. Question 2. Correct the sentence. The informations you gave were very helpful. Answer C. The information you gave was very helpful. Information is uncountable and does not have a plural form. It also takes the singular verb was. Question 3. Fill in the blank. The report needs review before submission. Answer C. To be reviewed. The sentence requires a passive infinitive construction, to be reviewed. Question 4. What is the past perfect tense of the verb go? Answer D. Had gone. The past perfect tense is formed using had plus the past participle of the verb, which is gone. Question 5. Choose the correct word. He is very good playing the piano. Answer C. The correct preposition to use with good in this context is at. That's it for today's quiz. How did you do? Share your scores in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our other videos and stay tuned for more tests, lessons, and practice sessions to help you improve your English skills. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.